One sentence. That is all I typed. And this AI built me a live website with a logo, copy, email capture, the whole thing. 30 seconds, done. But that is tool number 5. Tool number 1. It killed a 3-person content team. $20 a month. No severance required. Let me show you all 5 before they blow up. Agencies are bleeding clients right now. Not because budgets dried up. Because one person with 5 AI tools is outperforming entire teams. Writing, video, social media, landing pages, all of it. I am talking 6-figure revenue. 0 employees, 0 office, 0 Slack messages at 11 PM. This is not a flex. This is the new math. And after tool number 3, you will understand why hiring is dead. Writesonic, your entire content department. Gone. I typed one keyword. Best project management tools for startups. 45 seconds later, a 2000 word blog post. Headers, meta descriptions. Internal linking suggestions. SEO optimized out of the box. But here is where my jaw dropped. Chatsonic, the feature inside Writesonic, connects to the live internet. Real-time data. Current trends, not some stale 2024 training data. Freelance writers charge $200 to $500 for owning blog post. Writesonic, pennies. The free tier gives you 10,000 words a month. $20 a month for unlimited. I know solo operators pumping out 50 blog posts a week and keeping every single dollar. The freelance writing industry has no idea what is about to hit it. Typeframes? You paste text. It spits out a polished video ad. Not a slideshow your intern made. Actual animated videos. Transitions, music, captions, branding. 60 seconds. I pasted a SaaS product description and got back a 30-second demo that looked like a production studio charged $5 grand for it. Social media managers are secretly cranking out 20 video ads a day with this. $29 a month. A freelance video editor charges $500 per video. You do the math. One client pays for an entire year of this tool. If you are not using Typeframes, you are literally burning money on video production. Veed.io, a full video editing studio. In your downloads, no confusing timelines. Subtitles in 100 languages. One click. AI avatars that present your content so your face never has to touch a camera. I edited a 10-minute YouTube video, added subtitles, removed the background and resized it for Reels, TikTok and LinkedIn. 15 minutes. A traditional editor, $150, 2 days, and they still mess up the aspect ratio. Free plan available. Pro starts at $24 a month. Premiere Pro is crying right now. Taplio. If you are sleeping on LinkedIn, wake up. This tool is built for LinkedIn domination. AI writes posts in UUR voice. Carousel creator turns random ideas into swipeable content. Scheduling. Analytics. And here is the part that changes everything. Lead generation. It finds prospects by job title, industry, and engagement patterns. Then lets you slide into their DMs. I scheduled 30 days of content in one sitting. It analyzed my top posts, suggested angles I never thought of, and generated drafts I barely had to edit. People are going from 0 to 10,000 followers in 3 months with this. $49 a month. If LinkedIn drives your business, this is not optional. It is survival. Tool number 5. The one I promised you. Mixo. One sentence. That is the input. I typed AI-powered meal planning for busy professionals. 30 seconds later. A fully designed mobile responsive landing page. Live on the internet. Logo, headlines, features, testimonials, layout, email capture, not a template. A custom design generated from my one sentence. Entrepreneurs are using this to validate 10 business ideas a week without writing a single line of code. Launch a page. Drive traffic. See if anyone signs up. Build the winners. Kill the losers. Free tier for one site. $19 a month for unlimited. The gap between idea and execution just went to 0. 5 tools. Under $150 a month. Writing, video, social, landing pages. Everything agencies charge thousands for. You, alone. No team, no overhead. No excuses. The one-person agency is not a trend. It is an extinction event. Subscribe now. I find these tools so you do not have to. See you in the next one.